Right, so a little bit of a different video today. Today we are stripping down this beautiful BMW R100 in the rain, unfortunately. This is, you've met Tom before, this is his new project bike. And one problem, what is the biggest problem we've got so far, Tom?
Big problem being that it's too big. So
it doesn't fit through his door to get into his garden / garage where it's going to be worked on. That is where we need to get it.
I've had the bike 2 weeks now and it just hasn't got to the house. It's been outside for 2 weeks. So.
Well, today's the day we're going to get it stripped down and get it into his workshop. So yeah, as I say, it's a bit of a different video. If you like this sort of thing, make sure you subscribe or leave us a like. And yeah, let's continue. So what is the first thing we need to do? I'm guessing it's the big bulk of it, and that's going to be aluminum plastics. Well, you've got those head covers that need to come off, but I mean...
That's fine, I'm going to take
those bars.
This off first, the big bulky bearing, that's like a 3-hour job.
Yeah.
And then engine bars, hopefully then it will go through, but if not, take the valve covers off.
Without its front fairing, which you all know, it looks so much better already. Hopefully we'll be able to get it through the door. If not, it's going to be a case of taking the headers off and giving it a squeeze through and making sure everything's protected. So sorry about that noise, but I think summer is officially over now. Tom, I really like the colour.
Yeah, I didn't at first. I thought it looked like a Franklin's bike off GTA.
It's Franklin, yeah.
That's great on me.
So that's it, the bike is in now. The rain's slowly dying down, as you can just probably hear. But yeah, you probably want to know what's actually going on with this bike and what the plans are exactly. I'll let you tell them what your plans are for your bike, obviously.
Doing something never done before, BMW Airhead Cafe Racer. It's been done to death, but I love how they look and it's my dream bike. And yeah, I've always wanted to do something like this. The engine really stands out to me, being a boxer. So plan-wise, yeah, it's going to have a Cafe Racer rear hump on it, quite generic. Front end's going to be GSXR 750 from a K8.
Nice, good choice.
Just means that it's going to have a bit more of an aggressive stance, and it will show up hopefully the tank being quite meaty.
Yeah. Well, the key is it's simple what you're doing, but it's going to be super effective because, as you can see, just taking the fairing off has made a huge difference in how this bike looks already. So,
yeah, you can almost see that line as well.
Yeah.
Problem with these is you don't get that nice straight line through all the way. So that's going to need some kind of pinstriping, I think, just to carry that line up.
I'm doing the same with mine.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So.
Well, he's already got the. He's already been buying bits for this, and your first purchase was the seat on
my hump.
Oh, look at that.
Alright. So. Yeah, joy of eBay. It was 200 and something odd quid, and it's a full bolt-on rear subframe. It is cheating a bit. And I think it might stick out a tiny bit too much at the back. I think it might just go over that centre line, but that's where we have this to chop around and we can now mess with it. It's a good starting point.
Easy,
basically.
I reckon.
Yep. So it's going to have a nice upholstered seat on there. It comes with all of this. It comes with the hump, the frame.
A base for the seat to be upholstered, yeah,
yep.
Which is the main key anyway.
And
sweet.
Registration bracket, all that stuff, yeah. Really good.
So, I'm going to wrap this video up now. If you'd like to see more of this build, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I'm excited to see where this bike goes because obviously he's going to be building this bike alongside my bike, which hopefully means we're going to be going on ride outs and all that cool stuff in the future. So let's see where it goes. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.